Use your hotel voice. No, Roscoe.
Layla?
Your hotel voice.
Did you come with your grandpa?
Hi.
We're all here. Oh.
The dog.
Roscoe!
Oh my gosh, there's
Come here.
doggies. Oh my gosh, there's doggies everywhere. Hey, Bubba. Who else is there? Yay, there's Kai and another dog. Oh my gosh, dogs. Oh my god, dogs. Oh my god, dogs. Dogs. Shush. Dogs.
All of these friendly.
Oh my gosh, quiet dogs.
Hey, outside.
Hi to the people. Hi. Oh, my hair is stuck in your hair. I mean, my earring is stuck in your hair. Mwah. This is Alayla.
Happy Thanksgiving. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
This is for you.
Just for me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll just put this in my pocket. It's got a little card ski.
What's up, kid?
All right, so let's go see all the puppies again.
Carrying section.
Where are
Can
the
you go to the bathroom after you
puppies?
do one load of carrying?
Where are the puppies? Where'd all the puppies go? Are they all outside? Lebec. That's me. Wait, are there puppies? Where'd they go? How do you misplace like 5 puppies? I didn't even think that was a possibility. But I think I did it. Oh, there we go. Puppies. What's with all the dogs? I don't know. This is a dog family, I suppose. Now this one's mine. Just wanted to hear you say your last name. Ah, you're a trickster. It's a Lebec. Okay, so where are we going? Where are we going? Oh my god, then we have more stuffs. Ah, it's the family. It's a Layla. This little chick is an actress and a singer. Who do we have here? We've got someone very shy. Hey man, you need some help?
I'm okay.
Here, let me at least get the door.
That looks pretty warm. Is it?
It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
That's awesome.
All right, puppies, everybody in.
I'm fine.
Happy Turkey Day. Come on, come on. Doggies. Whoa. Hey, get back here. Hey, you too. Hey. Well, that one's small. Leave it alone. Come on, Roscoe. Come on, Roscoe. You're not Roscoe, but that's okay. Yeah, there's a Roscoe. Okay, we got Roscoe. We got Watson. We got Susie Q. I don't know who that one is. Wookie. Come on, guys. Come on. How many do we have in here?
How many dogs?
Yep.
Probably too many for Ray.
Yeah, it's fighting. It's a dog fighting ring. Where'd they go? I lost my dogs. Poor doggies. Well, they're just playing in the mountains, getting bullied. I know.
Who?
What?
Who?
The dogs.
And
Is
that Pongo?
Yeah, he just has a hot spot.
I hate those things.
I know. Come here, dog. Come here, Pongo. Pongo. Pongo, Wongo. Pongo, Wongo.
What do you see?
Oh. And then there's a baby. Oh my god. That baby though. Oh my god. The baby. The baby.
I don't think so.
Hi.
You better not have.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Little feet. Feet. No, I should go do that. Okay.
You got
I gotta. Yeah.
You gotta keep track of them.
Where? I had him. Okay, I'm gonna go say hi to everybody. I'll be back on. What the F is going on? You want to say hi to all the people? Do you know what this is? This is an app on my phone, and people can follow you, and they're our friends. And you see that number? That's how many people are in the room right now watching us.
Yeah.
So you're in front of 27 people right now.
Back.
Everyone say hi, Layla. Say hi to them all. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
These are my buddies. Coop is here. Coop's one of my friends. See the names right there? That's Coop. And that's EJ. Look, hello, Layla. They like you. Hearts if you think this is the cutest little girl you've ever seen. What do you think? The two of us together? Bat, bat, bat. Look at all the hearts they're giving us because they think you're cute. Okay, we're gonna sign off and we'll be back on soon, okay? Say bye to them, give them a kiss. Mwah, say bye. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We'll be back on with them later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.